Today we would like to share with you a new development for the lab. It's the BioLog app, which allows you to transfer protocols from the classical paperwork to the cell phone. As you can see here, our application allows you to set up different protocols. As shown here, we have two example protocols, and once these protocols are loaded, you can see them here. And this, for example, is a protocol which is nicely coded. At the beginning, you get the equipment which is needed to run the protocol. You get information about the buffers you need for the protocol. And then, of course, there are the steps of the protocol. As you can see here, step number 1. You can highlight steps. I can press here. You can add a comment to this step by pressing here, a comment. You can, for example, click here and write a note if you do this step. We can write, for example, that's working, or so it's good. And finally, once you're done with the step, you can check mark each step, and then you get a time stamp, so you know when this step was completed. And you can scroll through all these different steps, and it's quite fast. As you can see here, I can quickly browse through a large protocol without problems on such a cell phone. Even on slower cell phones, this is no problem. We have also further features here. We have timers, so if a step needs a certain time, you can start this timer, as shown here. And then the timer starts. In future releases of the software, this timer will also be related to each protocol step, so you can predefine times will then count down. And at the end of the protocol, if you're interested in this, you get information about chemical hazards or biological hazards. So for the safety, you can even allow mention control measures. So this is all predefined in the protocol format, and there's an XML file which has a parser, so you easily can set up a protocol in normal text and then convert this to your cell phone. And you get some further check marks what you need. You need gloves and safety glasses, for example. And finally, the general risk comment. So this is the new protocol, which makes it much easier, so you can trash your not very handy old style paperwork here. And don't be worried about your cell phone. You can wrap this in normal kitchen foil, saran wrap, and so your cell phone is safe. And once you get out of the lab, you just throw away the foil and you have your cell phone as you like to have it.